What are you doing with our son's motorcycle helmet on your motorcycle?
Good question, eh? Well, I was trying to think how I'm going to protect the drive shaft on my 2019 R1250GS. Now, we know this is a really expensive part of the motorcycle. How do we know that? Well, back in 2019, on the 2009 GS, when off-roading, had a bit of a problem, a bit of a spill, and this was badly damaged, and this was really, really expensive. So I was thinking, how do I protect it? And I thought, maybe there's some solutions out there. Aha, I did find one. Right for here. Hey folks, it's Jeff from Two Awesome Dads Adventures. I think I've got what could be the solution for my problem protecting my drive shaft. Again, we're not going to put the whole thing in bubble wrap, but I think from what I found from R&G, from Twisted Throttle, and the information will be in the description, it looks like a pretty straightforward installation to give it a little bit of protection down along the side. So let's open her up. All right. Not a lot to go through here. First, well, there it is. There's a piece of plastic. Doesn't really feel like a rubber. Feels pretty solid, like a piece of plastic, and that's what's going to extend out from the drive shaft. Comes with a packet of 2 bolts, a couple of washers, and a spacer. And what do we have here? Whoa, my gosh. We've got an encyclopedia by the looks of it, information. Well, let's start off with opening this one. R&G has been pretty good when we've installed products on this bike for instructions, and here we are. We've got some basic instructions in English. Actually, most of it's about consumer notices and warranty, so this is going to be a pretty easy install. And what did we get here? Oh, we've got the stickers. Thanks very much. Got a huge collection of those growing. Perhaps if I used my stickers, I could protect my bike just lathering it up with stickers. Anyways, and the second piece of paper actually is in the other official language here in Canada, in French. But interestingly enough, the photo is in color and bigger. So combined, should have a pretty thorough instructions on how to put the shaft protector on. So hey, follow along with me and let's put it on. The first step is to remove this stock plastic cap that's over where we're going to put this protector. So you just take a fine screwdriver, I've already cheated here, I popped it out a bit, pop it right out, there we go, simple as that. I'd set that aside just in case I make a decision to put it back to stock. Now, here comes the protector itself. Oddly enough, it came with 2 bolts and 2 washers. Can't figure that out for the life of me, but better more than not enough. I'm going to put that through, but first of all, this is not a spacer, this is a tapered nut, and according to the instructions, we put the tapered end towards the protector, and then I'm going to start with the screw, and I'm going to put it in a ways in order to grab onto the tapered nut, and what effectively it does, it's going to spread this plastic shaft to hold it inside there. But I don't want to go too far because then it'll be difficult to get it into this hole of the existing nut. So with that assembled, a little snug, put it in, take my number 5 hex head, I don't want to over tighten it. Try to grab it, won't come off. I think we've got it. There we go. So you can see that protection extends past here, gives a bit more guard against the drive shaft itself. And there we have it. What we have left over is 1 bolt, 1 washer, the old cap, and the satisfaction of a job well done. So thanks everyone for watching this episode. I hope it helped you. It always helps me to do these. I always learn something as well. This is Jeff again from Two Awesome Dads Adventures. If you liked what you saw, click the like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't already, and definitely click that bell for more episodes. Thanks again. We'll talk to you later. Take my number 5 hex head and start tightening it up. Which it's not doing a thing at all.